Hi! Welcome to our beauty channel, My Simple Remedies. Today I'll share a simple one-ingredient recipe to deep condition your hair. Many of us have tried a keratin protein soap, but this is a great alternative that can be used for only a fraction of the cost. It will keep your hair smooth and straight for up to a week. It improves hair texture and costs less than $3. So much more economical than using keratin and protein, which can cost more than $100. It's not a new technique. Many people are already using this simple, effective method to moisturize their hair. When I first heard about it, I was curious. I thought, why don't I try it as an experiment? Finally I did, knowing it might or might not succeed. But when I saw the results, I was shocked. My hair was really healthy and shiny. I don't really know why this treatment produces such benefits, but my hair was very beautiful. So I shared this recipe with my sister and some friends, and now I've noticed it's become a popular topic on the internet. You should use this deep conditioner in a specific way. I'll tell you more about that after I reveal the one ingredient needed. But first, please take a moment to subscribe to this channel. As you can see, the single simple ingredient is butter. Here I'm using pure white organic butter. You can use any kind, as mentioned in previous videos. I'm using this because it's readily available where I live. But it's no problem to use any other kind of butter, such as Letta, margarine, shea, Macdours, or even organic butter you make at home. How do you use this butter? It's very easy. First, divide your hair into sections as if you were going to iron or blow it dry. Then rub the butter into your hair as you would a keratin protein treatment, at least 30 seconds on each strand until it's all soaked. It's not necessary to put it on the roots, but only on the hair shaft. If your hair's short, this may take about 15 minutes. If it's long, it may take up to 30 minutes. After soaking all your hair in the butter, cover your head with plastic or use an old towel that's just a bit damp with warm water. Let it soak into your hair for about 30 minutes. If your hair is very curly, you can leave it on for up to 2 to 3 hours. The longer you leave it in, the better results you'll see. How much butter will you need to use? This depends on your hair. If it's short, you'll use anywhere from 8 to 11 tablespoons. Remember, 8 tablespoons equals 1 stick of butter. Long hair may require up to 18 tablespoons, which is a little bit more than a cup. Again, what's the best type of butter? The best one is the one I've used here, pure white organic butter. You can buy it at some supermarkets or make it at home if you have access to fresh milk. This is what I prefer to use, but you can use margarine or unsalted butter as well. If you have very curly hair, you may find it helpful to add a tablespoon of olive oil to the butter and you will get better results faster. After using this treatment, you won't need to use a hairdryer. It's best to avoid using hairdryers because the heat causes trichorexis, hair breakage. Conversely, this butter treatment will keep your hair healthy and smooth. Since this recipe has already been tested, you don't need to worry about the results you'll get. I guarantee you'll have fabulous hair. If you're enjoying these free beauty tips, please like this video and subscribe to My Simple Remedies. See you in the next video. Until then, bye!